Hi! Hello my fellows! This is Blessy Montana Makam and welcome back to Blessy's Vlog. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a ribbon or how to do a ribbon bow. Tune in and enjoy watching! These are the things we need. We need scissors, double adhesive tape, curler ribbon, and a little piece of it. So, let's get started. We need to roll our ribbon into 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3. The length of this ribbon is 4 inches. But you can do whatever size you want. Let's check. That's it. It's 4 inches. Now fold it in half and cut both sides. Also, cut some extra. Use the small piece of ribbon to tie the bow. Open each bow and position it evenly. There must be 2 down, 2 ups, and 2 in the middle. Now we have a ribbon with a triple bow. And this is my favorite part. Let's curl the extra strands by using a scissor. Split it into 2. There are some gifts that do not need to be wrapped, such as expensive chocolates, dessert and delicacies, and even jewelries, just to mention a few. Those gifts with beautiful packages, we will only need to put a ribbon, just like this one. It is better to use a double adhesive tape because this is more stickier than Scotch tape. Just do some final touch and it's done.
Thank you for watching! If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified for the next video. Stay safe everyone! God bless!